Welcome to my class, my dear students. Now I am going to introduce myself. I am MD Monir Monir, Assistant Teacher English, Sholodak Secondary School, Bharmar, Kustia. And I am going to take a class today for class 8, and it's the class of English second paper and our subject article part 2. It's a picture of mountain and the sentence the mountain looks nice. In here the is indicate. The Titanic sank in the Atlantic. In here the and the are indicated. How beautiful the world is. In here the is indicated. The mountain, the Atlantic, the world. The. What does it mean? Let us know the pronunciation of the or the. The. At C and V. C means consonant and V means vowel. When the is used before the letter consonant is pronounced the, and when it is used before letter vowel and it pronounced the. The cow is a domestic animal. C is a consonant letter, for that it sounds like the. The apple is a tasty fruit. In here the, because A is a vowel letter, for that it sounds like the. Can you guess what are we going to discuss today? Is of the or the. Our today's lesson is the use of definite article the or the. Let us make sentences with the. The girl is a student. The eggs in the basket look fresh. The house where I live in is very nice. The definite article the is used before singular and plural nouns. This is a car. The car is red. Which car? The specific car which is the in the above picture. The is used to specify something. The earth moves around the sun. Birds fly in the sky at large. The is used something before unique, universe or nature. The Quran is the best treatise in the world. I read the Daily Ittefaq. The is used before famous treatise, newspaper, families, nationalities, religious communities, and so on. The Bandarban Hills. The used before the name of a hill. The Nile is the gift of Egypt. The Podda is a big river. The used before the name of rivers. Seas, the Bay of Bengal, oceans, the Pacific Ocean, deserts, the Sahara, islands, the Andaman, the violin. The is also used before the names of musical instruments. The guitar, the piano, The is used before dash to. Morning. I get up from bed very early in the morning. Afternoon. Birds return to their nests in the afternoon. Evening. Birds fly here and there in the evening. The USA, United States of America. The UK, United Kingdom. The is used before the names of the state belonging to a union with other states. We have to remember the is always used before two kinds of noun. One, specified nouns, পূর্ব থেকে নির্দিষ্ট করা আছে, such as the sun. Two, to specify a noun or nouns, নির্দিষ্ট করে বোঝাতে, such as the boy. Use the where necessary. He is a boy. Boy is a student. He goes to school regularly. Teachers of his school like him very much. Boy respects his teachers properly. He never neglects lessons given by his teachers. This is a book. I have purchased a book with taka 500. Book contains many interesting stories. So I have chosen book for myself. There are many interesting books in shop, but this is book which I prefer most. I will complete reading book within a very short time. Homework. Insert the where necessary. Podda is a big river. There are many villages on bank of river Podda. People living by river earn their livelihood by catching fishes and conducting business. River plays most important role in our national economy. Peace be upon you all.